What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. In today's video, we're going to be playing around and swatching and testing out the new Maybelline Soda Pop 12 pan eyeshadow palette. I happened to stumble upon this when I was browsing the aisles of my local Walmart. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. This retails for $9.99. Really intrigued by this because I also have tried the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette, which I honestly was not a big fan of. Didn't work out for me. Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. Makeup features 12 bold pigmented eyeshadows in a mix of matte eyeshadow and shimmer eyeshadow shades. Create any look with these sweet soda pop scented shades. So let's dig right into this palette. I'm just about to open it. Alright, first look. Ooh, soda with cherry scent to it. Just has a slight scent to it. It's not overpowering, so that's something also to note about this. Swatch the upper part of this palette, which are more on the warmer side. This is actually great for fall. So the first one we're going to swatch is called Cola Float. Ooh, really beautiful orange called Crushing. Sugar High. This one has some shimmer to it. Gorgeous. Ginger Ale. Went on a tad bit patchy. Let's try that one more time. Tonic. This one has a bit of a shimmer to it. This shadow called Chilling. And this one looks like it would be a good transition color. Swatches of all 6 of the top shadows from the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the bottom half of the palette. Soda Fizz, that's gorgeous. Has some shimmer in it. Ooh, that is beautiful. Grape Pop, I love me some purple. Cherry on top. Blue Raspberry. Ooh. Cherry Cola. Root Beer. Here are swatches of the bottom row of shadows. That is super pigmented. We are going to apply these onto the eyes. I really want to use some of these more bolder shades. I used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, applied some of it onto my eyelid, set it with some powder base for the eyeshadows to really adhere. First, I think I'm going to pick up this shadow up here called Chilling, which is a matte. Just dip my brush in there and you have some kickback, but that's completely fine with me. I work this right into that crease area. Pick up a bit of Cola Float. This really pretty kind of like burnt shadow, which is also a matte. Wow, that is pigmented. We can make this apartment paradise. It's blue called Blue Raspberry. I'm gonna apply this like right onto the outer corners of the eye. A bit of Grape Pop right here. I'm gonna pop this right onto the center of the lid. I'm gonna go back in with a bit of Cola Float. Drag this right on top. Really meshes the purple together. So what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a bit of Grape Pop and I'm just going to sweep this along my lower lash line. With Cola Float, apply this right onto the outer third of the lower lash line. Since we ended up creating more of like a smoky look, I think I'm going to pick up a bit of Soda Fizz. This one has that shimmer, but it's kind of like a duochrome. I'm going to use my finger and apply this right onto the corners. Actually makes my inner eye corners look dark. I'm gonna pick up a bit of the shadow called Tonic. This one's definitely more of like a champagne color, and I'm just gonna pop that right onto the inner eye corners. Alright loves, so this is the look I ended up creating using the Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. I tried to use as many colors as I could. I'm gonna go about the rest of my day. I have a couple errands to run, and I'm gonna check back with you guys at the end of the night. I wanted you guys to kind of see how these shadows wear for a couple of hours. It is 11:13 p.m. I've had on these shadows for roughly about 8 hours. I have very oily eyelids, so my shadows have a tendency, or some shadows have a tendency to start kind of creasing. I haven't had that problem at all. No creasing whatsoever. The color is still very vibrant. So final thoughts on the Maybelline Soda Pop 12 pan eyeshadow palette. Do I think that this is a yay or a nay for me? I would have to say this is definitely a yay for me. I really like how these shadows performed. They were so easy to blend. They're very pigmented. I mean, although you do have, I think it was ginger ale. I believe this was the one that went on like a tad bit patchy. Love the color selection. You have the warmer tones up here, then you have some colors. It smells like soda with a bit of cherry, like a little cherry twist to it. This really impressed me. It definitely went above and beyond my expectations. I really love the pigmentation, the way how these shadows blend. Hope you guys enjoyed this really quick review, swatch video, wear test. I guess it kind of turned into a wear test of the Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. Let me know down below your thoughts on this palette. Is this something that you guys are going to be checking out at your local drugstore? If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you loves enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you loves so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.